Hello, my name is Fiona Stanton from Fee's Papercraft. This is a very quick video to show you an unboxing of some of the new annual catalogue 2018-19. I'm actually recording this on the 22nd of February 2018, which is quite a while ago by the time this video is released. That's because I was very fortunate and very honoured to be chosen to be a display board stamper for the April on Stage that was held in Telford in the UK. So therefore I had this box, and I'm the first person to see these kind of products in the UK, and I'll be making the display board at Telford and I have a month to do about 16 to 20 projects. That's the bit I'm panicking about, but I thought I'd show you some of the gorgeous new things. Now, by the time this video goes live, we will know what is the new colours and what the refresh in the colour palette has been. At the moment, I don't know anything of that. All I can go by is what I've got in my box. So I know there is going to be a colour refresh, but to what extent or how, I don't know. So that's probably not a lot of help to you at the moment. But what I can show you is some of the gorgeous new products. So let me show you my box. Right, now I can show you some of the things in my gorgeous new box. Sorry, I'm not too sure how I turn my my camera around, so that's why I've done two videos. First of all, I've got lots of ribbon, which is a bit out of my comfort zone because I don't do ribbon that much. So this are all in the colours that you know already. So this is Tranquil Tide. So this is a Tranquil Tide mini ruffled. Now the labels on these boxes aren't going to be good either, because again, these are just samples that are, you know, they've not all been printed yet, so I haven't got proper labels and things. And here's one in Fresh Fig, so the same thing, mini ruffled ribbon. There we go. And one in Lemon Lime Twist. Now I've got two other ribbons which are in new colours. So this is called Blueberry Bushel. So that's a lovely, lovely deep blue. I think that's kind of something that we need. Oh, sorry. There you go, you can see it now. So it's a thin ribbon. There with a little bit of texture to it. I'm not too sure what the technical term is. I'm sure you can tell me. Well, this is called Rose Grain. There you go. And this one is called Call Me Clover. Just a minute. There we go. Sorry about that. Call Me Clover. So the same style. A nice, bright, fresh green. So these are going to go really well, I think. It's going to work lovely. Now I've got this sequin pack, and it's just called Sequins Adhesive Back to Basic. You can see. So I have no idea what colours they are, but I think these are like the ones in the spring summer catalogue. These are self-adhesive sequins, and they're all falling off. They're nice. They've got a little metallic. They're slightly metallic in them, an iridescence. So that's quite good. I'm showing you all this. You want to go to the stamp set, don't you? So there you go. So there seems to be three in greeny shades, a kind of a white or a grey shade and a pinky shade. I'm sure when we see the catalogue properly we can find out what the colours are. But there you go. I think, again, these aren't labelled, but I'm assuming these are embossing powders. So we got it, I guess, in, what was it called? Give Me Clover. And in, sorry about that, Blueberry Bushel. So they're not labelled, so I'm hoping they're embossing powder. We'll find out when I experiment. Now to the stamp sets. These will be what you've been looking for, isn't it? So I got 3 stamp sets. There we go. Sorry, try not to show you my washing. So this one is called Lily Pad Lake. So these are all clear mount. So they might be different in the catalogue. You might be able to get them in different ones. So that's nice. It's got a nice selection of sentiments, actually. So you've got Thinking of You with loving thoughts and prayers. To see far is one thing. Go in there is another. Congratulations, be calm and leave it to God. So it's a nice selection of greetings there that will suit a lot of different situations. Nice calm set. You can see there's been quite a nice, it'd make quite a nice sampler or a nice picture rather than a card. I think a nice home decor piece springs to mind with this. Then I've got another watery based one. This is Sea of Textures. So that's nice because we lost a couple of the texture stamps in the last catalogue. So now we've got some nice background stamps there. Thanks for reaching out and have a wonderful adventure. You're one of a kind. Have a wonderful adventure. That's a nice greeting. I like that. And that octopus, I think that's going to be a lovely octopus to stamp out. And it has a kind of, I guess with the textures, it's got texture to the stamps as well. So yeah, so I don't know whether we'll find out in the new catalogue whether this is permanent packaging, because obviously normally it's green, not black, but this might be just because I've got these come out early. So Rooted in Nature. So I think this is going to be almost like the flower stamp in the celebration, where it's got the different, it's got the shading and the different depth to it in the stamp itself. But those are lovely trees, and skeleton leaves are always good. That'll be quite nice actually. I'm looking forward to that. So it's a big stamp set. So there's two. This is the second one. There's 2 boxes for each one. I do love that trunk. What do you call it? Tree slice. And again, this one's got some nice greetings. To thank you for all you do. Words are never enough. Be strong, be happy, be you. That's nice. Just for you. You're wonderful, thinking of you. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. And then last, 2 more things, sorry. I should have taken this out of the bag. Sorry, I just dropped the phone. This is an embossing folder. This is called Dynamic Subtle. It's one of the 3D ones. So have a look. I quite like it. It's very, well, like I said, it's subtle. It's a kind of a wood grainy. Can you see it there? Probably not. I don't know how to show you this. It's kind of a very, very fine wood grainy type of style. But I should hopefully be able to give you some more pictures later on. So I should have hopefully done all my projects by this time the video comes out. And here's the paper selection. Just a second. So let me put this on here on my stool, and you can see it. So you can see we've got some colours returning. We've got mint macaron in there. This is mint macaron and Cajun craze. Cajun craze is an established one. This one might get people excited. This is blackberry bliss and pink petal. So I don't know at this stage whether pink petal is an old colour returning like blackberry bliss or a new colour. I don't know. I'll find out in about a month's time. 2 months' time. No, a month's time. Right, Tranquil Tide and mint macaron again. So this will go nicely with that wood set I had with the not Touches of Nature. What was it called? Rooted in Nature. This is called Nature's Poem. This paper. I think it's lovely. Actually, I think it's really nice. So that's soft suede. And see that blackberry bliss, and I guess that's pink petal. They go really well together, don't they? There we go. And then the last ones. Oh, I never thought about put Tranquil Tide and Soft Suede together, but again, that works. I might have to have a look at that. So that is my unboxing. That is what I've got so far. I'll have some more videos of what I've made, etc. soon. Thank you. Bye.